Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can actually create a unique portfolio website using OpenCode CLI. So at first you have to go to the browser and type OpenCode CLI because you have to install it, and you will find GitHub option after the first link. You can see on the other hand you can actually search through OpenCode CLI GitHub. Okay, then you will find this link at the top. So go to the link and you will come to this place. If you scroll a little bit down, you will find an option called installation, and here you can see that we have package managers npm. Okay, so you have to run this command in the cmd. Before that you have to actually install node.js, because to execute this command you have to have node.js in your pc. So to check if you have node.js in your pc or not, you have to go for the cmd. Now type here node-v. If you don't see this, it means you have to install it. So just go to the node.js.org. So click here download. To directly go to the download page. Here you can see current version is 25, but you have to go for the long-term support version. Okay, so select the long-term support version, I mean LTS, and then click here .msi to start downloading. After that you have to install it, and environment variable will be set automatically. If not, what you have to do, let's say I have installed it in C drive. Let me show you. Just go to the program files, and here you will find node folder, and here you can see, go inside of it. You just have to select the address bar, copy it, and you have to go to the Windows Home button and type here env, and go to the environment variables option, select path under system variable, click here edit, and here you have to add manually. Okay, but here you can see I have already added it. I mean by default it's added. If it is not, then you have to actually do this. Okay, after that you have to press OK, then OK. And now if you type node-v, you will find this. Okay, it means you have node.js in your PC. Now what you have to do, you have to install git. So let's go to the browser once again and type git, not GitHub really, it will be git, and you have to download git. So click git and just download the latest version and install it in the PC. Okay, and after that you have to come to this page and you have to actually copy this. So copy this and you have to paste it in the command prompt. So what you have to do, you have to actually go for the OpenCode CLI, then GitHub. Okay, on the other hand you can search here OpenCode CLI GitHub. Okay, then you will find this GitHub link in the very first, and then you have to go there. You will come to this page. You have to scroll a little bit down to get this option installation, and here you will find this command npm i-g OpenCode -ai at list. Okay, so you have to copy this and then go for the command prompt cmd and open it and paste it here and hit enter, and you will actually install it. Okay, I already installed it, so I'm not going to do this once again. Now we'll actually go for the project. So I will go to this PC and I'll go to this drive, go here and create a new folder, I mean new project, and let's just name it as, now go inside of it, and here we open cmd. So we'll press in the address bar. Okay, and here we'll type cmd and hit enter to open command prompt here. And now here I will say open code and hit enter. Now here we have to actually give a prompt. So I have opened here, I mean what I need in my project. Here you can see hero section, about me, skill, project section, contact section, explainer. Okay, so we'll actually mention all of them. So I'm going to copy all of them and I'm going to go back to the prompt, and here I'm going to say that a unique portfolio website for me following, and here we are going to use it and we are going to paste it. Okay, so Ctrl+V to paste it. Here you can see pasted 29 line. Okay, now we'll hit enter and it will execute the code. Okay, here you can see designing a portfolio website with a section and animation. So we have to wait for some times. So this is the website, and here you can see we got here 3 files in this project folder or directory: index.html, style.css, then skip.js. Now here you can see we have all the section working here. You can see skill section, then project section you can see, and then experience section we have, and then we have education section, then we have service. Okay, here you can see we have blog section also, and we have testimonials, and then contact section. All right, so it's working perfectly. Here you can see, and I have shown you. So this video is helpful for you. Please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.